Today in the grain market, let's start with soybeans. It's on the rise. There's bullish crop tour findings that started with the pod setting is at 68%. That's the 5-year average is like at 85%. So we are well below that number. That definitely gave the shot in the arm that we got today. We're at least a month behind. That's kind of what the indication shows for our harvest or for even the whole growing season. The significance of that is really helping prices, and it actually could have long-term support going forward. So we're going to be watching that closely because I think in the end it definitely is going to affect the yields. Corn was steady today. The U.S. tour forecast that the yields were going to lower the yields. Definitely kind of held the market in check. Overall, the crop condition is 50% good to excellent. That's 1% less than last week, but certainly 68% was a year ago. The markets have already kind of digested this information, but we're staying above that 3-month low and kind of moving sideways. I think we need a little bit more information to kind of move it one way or other. The market actually moved down after we got that whopper of a number from the USDA report last week. So the market is now settling down a little bit, even though we're just slightly above our low that we made. Wheat today was easier. There's large world supplies are the big issue right now. The futures did also hit like a 3-month low, and it's being weighed down by the big harvest in Europe. And what happens is that our U.S. dollar index is so high that makes us really non-competitive with Europe, and with their big supplies right now, that really is going to almost keep us completely out of the competition. That makes it difficult for us to kind of get through the supplies that we have. So we have some big stocks going on. The weather forecast is also looking good ahead. And overall, the corn harvest is really weighing on all the grains because the numbers look like they could possibly be pretty big. That could put a damper on everything going forward. So we're going to watch those numbers closely, and it's going to be a day-by-day thing, but you can bet for sure that there's still going to be plenty of volatility, certainly for the next number of weeks.